we are here at the Pakistan Embassy right now to be repatriated in Islamabad. Philippine Embassy in Islamabad had been coordinating with the Pakistan Embassy here in Afghanistan. So right now, with the assistance of Pakistan Airlines, we are here waiting for our flight. So, and in an hour, we will be leaving to the airport. So hopefully that we will reach the Pakistan safely. Okay, so for everyone, pray for our flight. We will reach our destination.
We are here in the Pakistan Embassy now. We thank you for the effort that you've done for us as you help us Filipinos here from our company 21. So 21 total numbers. We thank you for your effort that at last now we can go out of this country peacefully and safe. So we thank you for everything that you've done for us, and we're looking forward to see you again soon.
Along with me are 20 Filipinos from Afghan Wireless Communications Company. We're very thankful for this opportunity that Pakistan government has organized this repatriation for the rest of my team. We've been trying very hard to take this opportunity, and now we're very happy that we'll be coming home.